Namaste Pranam. I would like to share a few things regarding this coronavirus. First of all, I would like to share you two news. 1st April from Agra, when a person who had been get positive by corona, he had been cured by the doctors with warm water and healthy food in 17 days. Another news, a person who had been found positive 5 times get cured through yoga. This is NBT Nabhara Times, 20th April 2020 from Meerut. You might have been heard about a company is in Noida. So many of their staff get infected by corona, and finally government has been shut down the factory premises also. So one of the person who is working that factory is almost 35 years old, known to me, and I have been called him many times, talked with him over phone. When he got infected by corona, he didn't know that he had been infected by corona, but he feeling some nausea problem, some throat problem. So his wife started giving him regularly warm water or some Indian herbs, kala, tulsi, dalchini, choti ilaichi, badi ilaichi, like that, all these. And she has been given him too much of these things, and finally, after few days, even his report was positive, but with the other treatment also he get cured. But unfortunately, his wife, his daughter and mother also, they get infected and they are in the quarantine. And the news told us very specifically that using warm water is very beneficial in this corona. Our very eminent Dr. B.M. Hegre told to Pioneer in his interview that our immune system will function at its best when we are happy. Fear weakens the immune system. It means when you are happy, when you are laughing, your immune system gets strengthened, and when you are in fear, when you are tense, your immune system gets weakened. And nowadays, still till today, there is no such perfect medicine it had been invented for corona. All the doctors are telling us that you can fight with corona with your immune system. Those persons having good immune system, healthy immune system, they can easily come out from this coronavirus. So, to strengthen your immune system, you should be happy and you must be laughing always. Give you few tips. 1. Always take warm water and avoid all cold drinks, all type of cold drinks. 2. Sanitize yourself from inside. Gargle daily once a day at least with warm salty water. 3. Take steam at least twice a day. Especially when you came out from outside, must take steam. That also sanitize your respiratory tract, your this whole system. 4. Vitamin C is very good in this case because vitamin C is anti-allergic, and like lemon, orange, all vitamin C containing fruits and vegetables you must take. 5. Practice pranayama, because when you do pranayama, your immune system gets more strengthened and your respiratory tracts get cleansed. And finally, keep laughing, because laughing itself is a natural pranayama. So stay home, keep away this corona, be happy and keep laughing always. Thank you very much.